Imagine you have a lot of files and documents on your computer, but you're running out of storage space. Instead of buying a new and bigger computer, you decide to store your files in a virtual storage room located somewhere else. In this analogy, your computer represents your local device like a laptop or smartphone, and the virtual storage room represents the cloud. Cloud computing is a way of storing and accessing data and programs over the internet, rather than on your local device. Here are a few analogy examples to help you understand cloud computing better. 1. Cloud storage. Think of cloud storage as a big online file cabinet. Instead of keeping all your files on your computer's hard drive, you store them in the cloud. Just like accessing files in a file cabinet, you can access your files from anywhere with an internet connection by logging into your cloud storage account. 2. Streaming services. When you watch a movie or TV show on a streaming platform like Netflix or YouTube, you're using cloud computing. The content is not stored on your device, it is stored on servers in the cloud. You stream the video over the internet, and it plays on your device in real time without the need to download it first. 3. Email services. Email services like Gmail or Outlook also use cloud computing. When you send an email, it doesn't go directly from your device to the recipient's device. Instead, it goes to a server in the cloud, which stores and forwards the email to the recipient. This allows you to access your emails from different devices and locations. 4. Virtual servers. Imagine you need a powerful computer to run some software or host a website. Instead of buying and maintaining your own physical server, you can use a virtual server in the cloud. It's like renting a computer that exists in the cloud. You can access and control it remotely, and it provides the computing power and resources you need. Overall, cloud computing is like outsourcing the storage and processing of data and programs to remote servers on the internet. It offers flexibility, scalability, and accessibility, allowing you to access your files, services, and applications from anywhere, on any device, as long as you have an internet connection.